Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Rosalyn Lorenzo, 42 years old. I am married with two children. The eldest is girl, 11 years old, and the youngest is boy, 7 years old. I live in Region 5, Sipocot, Camarines Sur, Philippines. I graduated in high school. My work experience as a domestic helper first, I go Singapore year 2006 to 2009. I work in Chinese family with 6 members. They stay in high-rise building with 3 rooms and 2 toilets. My main duties and responsibilities taking care of children aged 9 years old, 6 years old, and 3 years old. I cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, washing the clothes, ironing, and car washing. After 2 years finished contract with the same employer, I taking care of elderly, stroke patient. She is 72 years old. I feeding her, giving the medicine, bathing, bring her outside to do exercise. After 9 months, sadly she passed away. I go back in Philippines and apply in another country. I go Taiwan year 2009 to 2011. I work in Chinese family with 5 members. They stay in single story with 3 rooms and 3 toilets. My main duties and responsibilities taking care of 3 children, aged 9 years old, 3 years old, and 6 years old. I cleaning the house, cooking, washing the clothes, ironing, and gardening. And the last, I go abroad. I go Middle East in Bahrain, year 2017 to 2019. My main duties and responsibilities, washing the clothes, cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, gardening, car washing, and taking care of it. It's a cat. Ma'am, sir, I hope you choose me to be your household worker. I promise that I hardworking, honest, cheerful, and flexible. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Hope to see you soon.